Hello guys, this is Nehar channel. Our project today is to create a door alarm. Circuit diagram. Putting together the hardware part of this door alarm project is a very easy task. First, you need to make a connection to the ultrasonic sensor with Arduino. Arduino are as follows. Connect VCC on the ultrasonic sensor to the 5V pin on the Arduino. Connect the trip pin on the ultrasonic sensor to pin 2 on the Arduino. Connect the echo pin on the ultrasonic sensor to the pin 3 on the Arduino. Connect the GND on the ultrasonic sensor to the GND on the Arduino. After that, make the connections for the buzzer and the Arduino. Connect the positive pin on the buzzer with pin 10 on the Arduino and the buzzer's negative pin with the GND pin on the Arduino. How does it work? The ultrasonic wave is emitted by an ultrasonic sensor which waves to the object and returns to the sensor from the medium. The trigger has to be set up. It sends out a 40 kHz circular ultrasonic wave that hits the object and gets the echo. Subscribe and like us. Thank you.